My name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. As is usual at this time of year, I stop looking at my daily charts and instead concentrate on the longer term view, using my weekly, monthly, even yearly charts. If you'd like to discuss any of these, I'd only be too happy to hear from you. So let me now introduce today's longer term chart.
Today I'll be looking longer term at US dollar versus the Mexican peso. There is a major pattern here that has been triggered at the close of December 2024. And I'll go into this shortly, but first a look back a bit in time, and there were two patterns, one key and one, well, not so key, that emerged during 2022, both triggered. Additionally, these patterns nullify the annual key reversal up seen in 2020. Okay, so the larger of the two patterns is based on the huge move up in March 2020 that led to the annual key reversal up that year. It is the quite large 20 to 23 descending triangle pattern. Potential targets below for this target were a primary target X2 in the 16-25-40 zone and a secondary harder to reach target X3 down in the 13-15-35 zone. In April of 2024, the market reached a low of 16.2559 before reverting back upwards, close enough for me to call the primary target having been reached. I'll retire the harder to reach secondary target X3 at 13.15.35 after this commentary for reasons that will soon become obvious. The second, smaller pattern was a March 2022 to March 23 descending wedge pattern. This did not look so good, and I soon retired it as a better pattern emerged from the move down from the descending triangle, and that was the July 23 to April 2024 double bottom. This pattern has duly reached its topside target, both primary and secondary. And of course, moving higher from this double bottom pattern and especially the extension of this move higher, the market has created that rarest of patterns, and I can't stress this enough, an annual key reversal up for 2024. This would be normally a seminal moment, a key moment, and a driver for future events, such that all actions in 2025 and the years beyond should normally be seen in the shadow of such a pattern. Now, that should be enough, you would think, but, and it is an important but we have some pedigree here in US dollar Mexican peso with the annual key reversals up. Seeing the last one here in 2020. And that last one didn't go so well. So we have an annual key reversal up for 2024, but just treat it with a little caution. So what do we have in the way ahead? Well, the immediate topside resistance may be in the region of the 50% Fibonacci line of the 2020 to 2024 move at 20.9948. Beyond that, we have the November 2021 high at 22.1510, which is within a band of congestion dating from the move up in 2020 between 21.8785 to 22.2715. If nothing else, these two levels will erode the bullish incentive, but just keep in mind that an annual key reversal up for there is one for 2024 here in US dollar Mexican peso.
Thank you for watching and listening. This annual broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.